Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your screen time on the iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but no matter which Apple iPhone you have, it is all going to work the same. So let's go to the settings and then go to the screen time, which is this option right here. So click on it, and now as you can see, the name of your iPhone and the daily average from the week. If you click see all app and website activity, you are going to have the screen time of the week starting from Monday ending on Sunday. The week that you have right now, you can switch to another week, for example, and look how it was before, when and where you have used the most time on the apps. Also, you can search it through the day. So today I've spent like 47 minutes on settings, some 10 minutes on YouTube, 7 minutes on DJI Virtual Flight. So as you can see, you can search it all. Also, in the week, you have most used apps by hours. You can show more to see other apps, and even more and more and more. Also, you can select the pickups, so how many times you have opened some app. And also you can check the notifications. You can also search by categories. So as you can see, these are categories for the apps, and as you can see, the 24 minutes most use on a week is on entertainment, 6 minutes in creativity, and so on and so on. So you can search this all. And also the same you can do by just searching for the day. So yeah, these are all the settings how you can check your screen time. Also, you can add a widget of a screen time by clicking plus. Like, go to the page where you have some free space. If you hold on, click plus, and then you can search for a widget for the screen time. Let me find it. So yeah, screen time is here, and as you can see, you have those widgets with a different size. So let's add the middle one, and now as you can see, this is going to be here on the page. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.